morning students. So in the previous sessions we discussed about addition and subtractions of fractions and we solved the problem based on exercise 1 based on addition and subtractions of fractions. So in these sessions now we are going to learn about the multiplications of fractions. So the main aim of this session is we are going to, by end of these sessions you are able to understand what is multiplications of fractions, how we have to perform the operations of multiplications of fractions. On fractions you are able to perform additions of fractions, subtractions of fractions and multiplications of fractions. So multiplications of fractions, the product of two fractions equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Okay, the product of two fractions equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. So let me take one example. Example 1. How we have to perform multiplications on fractions. Let me take 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Okay. So whenever we are solving addition and subtractions of fractions, how we will do? We will observe whether they are like fractions or unlike fractions. If they are like fractions, we will add the numerators and we will write the denominators as same. In the same way, subtraction also. We will observe the numerators and denominators. If the denominators are equal, we will simplify the numerators. If the denominators are not equal, that means they are different, we will convert those like unlike fractions into like fractions and then we will perform. Now, but coming to the multiplications of fractions, here we no need to observe whether they are like or whether they are unlike. Though they are like fractions or unlike fractions, we have to do the same process. How we have to do here? Now, 3 is a numerator, 2 is a numerator, 4 and 3 are denominators. We have to multiply both the numerators. Okay, whether they are like or unlike, we have to multiply the numerators. 3 into 2. And also, we have to multiply the denominators. That means 4 into 3. So, in earlier we learned about addition and subtractions. There we will not perform any operations on denominators. That means if the denominators was 5, we will write as 5 only. For example, let me take 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. What we will do? We will add only the numerators and we will write denominator as 5 only. We will not add 5 plus 5 10. This is in the addition and subtraction. But coming to the multiplication, we have to multiply numerators as well as we have to multiply the denominators also. Understand? So 3 into 2 how much? 6. 4 3s are how much? 12. Are you clear? So now observe whether we have to convert into simplest form or not. 6 1s are 6 2s are. The answer is 1 by 2. Let me take one more example. 2 by 4 into 3 by 2. Okay. 2 by 4 into 3 by 2. How we have to do? 2 into 3 by 4 into 2. We have to multiply both numerators and both denominators. 2 3s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Clear? If there are more than 2 fractions, then also the same method. Let me take 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. So we have to multiply these fractions. How we have to do? Multiply all the numerators. Okay. 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 into 4. Multiply all the numerators and write in the numerators. Multiply all the denominators and write in the denominator space. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 by 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 6 by 24 is the answer. Are you able to understand? So when we are doing the product of two fractions, how we have to do? Product of numerators by product of denominators. That means 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 into 2 by 4 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. In the same way, 2 by 4 into 3 by 2 how much? 2 into 3 by 4 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8. We have to multiply both the numerators and we have to write in the numerators place. We have to multiply both the denominators and we have to write in the denominators place. We should not observe whether it is like or unlike fractions. So many students what they will do, since they will be perfect with the addition and subtractions of fractions, they are performing same thing in multiplications also. What they are doing? They are converting these unlike fractions into like fractions and then they are doing product. We should not do in that method. Just though they are like or unlike, what we have to do? We have to multiply both numerators and both denominators. Are you clear? Are you able to understand how to perform the multiplications of fractions? Now based on this we are going to solve the exercise 2 problems. It is very simple concept, multiplications of fractions. And exercise 2 is also very small exercise. In this chapter, exercise 2 and exercise 3 completely depend upon the multiplications of fractions. Okay, now we are solving exercise 2 solutions. See, first question. So, now in this total 5 questions are there. I was explaining 3 among these. Remaining 2 will be homework similar to this. How to solve it here. So, in the previous concept when I was explaining multiplications of 5 fractions, I explained when we multiply 2 fractions, right? Now here if you take, it is a fraction and it is a whole number. How we have to multiply a fraction with a whole number? How? Here for example, if any denominator is not there, what we have to assume it as 1. Okay, if any denominator is the only whole number, we have to assume the denominator as 1. Simple. Now what we have to do? Product of numerator into numerator. 3 into 10 by 6 into 1. The any denominator is not there, so we have to assume as 1. 3 tens are how much? 30. 6 ones are 6. Can we cancel? Yes, 6 ones are 6 fives are 5 is the answer. Are you able to understand? Now look here. Similarly, whenever we are multiplying a fraction with a whole number, what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator with the whole number part. Okay. Whenever we are multiplying a fraction with a whole number, what we have to do? Numerator with whole number. So 2 fives are how much? 10 by 9 is the answer. It is proper or improper? It is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. What we have to do? We have to convert into mixed fraction. How we will convert? By doing division. 9 ones are 9, 1. So, denominator 9 as it is, quotient and remainder. 1 by 9 is the answer. Now, here what we are doing? Multiplying a whole number with fraction. Here also similar way. Multiplying a whole number to numerator. 15 into 2 by 5. 52s are how much? 30. 30 by 5. Here also 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 is the answer. Are you able to understand? When we are multiplying a fraction with a whole number, what we have to do? Multiply numerator with number. 3 tens are 30 and the denominator is the same. Here also 2 5s are 10 and the denominator is same. 15 2s are 30 and the denominator is same. Okay. In this there are total, as I told, there are total 5 problems. So remaining 4 I was writing here. We have to take it as homework. 1 by 3 into 4 and third one 6 by 7 into 2. So total 5 questions are there. Second and third you have to solve 1 by 3 into 4 and 6 by 7 into 2. So just what you have to do? Multiply number with the numerator and denominator remains same. Clear? Now let us solve the second bit. In second bit also we will have total 4 questions. Shade 1 by 2 of the circles in a box. Okay, shade 1 by 2 circles in a box. So there was given one box and there was given some circles. We have to shade. Okay. In the similar way, how I explain this first bit, you can do second, third and fourth one as it is. Now, and third bit, simple question. Find 1 by 3 of 12 and one more 2 by 5 of 15. Maximum in the second bit, second exercise, we are solving a fraction with a whole number part. Okay, fraction with a whole number part. How we have to multiply fraction with a whole number? Just we have to multiply a whole number with numerator and the denominator remains same. Now how? First question, see. Second, first one, 1 by 2 of the circles in a box A. That means there are total 4 boxes. Among that I was trying to only one box A. How we have to shade? 1 by 2 of means what? Multiplication into the circles in box. How many circles in box you have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are total 12 circles. You have to count and write. Are you able to understand? So 1 by 2, I was write 1 by 2 of indicates multiplication. The circles in a box. How many circles are there in a box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to write total 12. So now, is there any cancellations possible? You have to do. First, multiply a number with the whole part, numerator. Whole number with the numerator part. 12 ones are how much? 12 by 2. Okay. 12 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 12 by 2. Any simplest form we can do? Yes. We can cancel in 2 tables. 2 ones are 2 6 are 6. Yes. What is the answer? 6. So we have to shade 6 circles. Are you able to understand? First, 1 by 2 of indicates into the circles in a box. How many circles are there in a box? You have to count and you have to write. So what we have to do? 12 ones are 12 by 2 denominator as it is. 2 ones are 2 6. So what the answer? 6. So what? 6 is the answer. So we have to shade the 6 circles in the given box. Okay. Next question also, they given 2 by 3 circles or 2 by 3 triangles. So they was given in the second, there was given 2 by 3 of number of triangles in a box. There are total 9 triangles was there. So 2 by 3 into 9. How many triangles will shed out of 9? How you will do? Simple. 2 9s are 18 by 3. 3 1s are 3 6 are. So there also you have to shade 6 triangles. Okay. If you go through here, these are the figures. I will show you at last also once again. So these 4 figures you have to solve. Okay, among that I explain first question. Now let me take third question. Third with first question. 1 by 3 of 12. What is 1 by 3 of 12? Of indicates into. Okay, 1 by 3 into 12. 1 by 3 into 12. So 3 ones are 3 4s are. Okay, answer is 4. Now next. 2 by 5 of 15. 2 by 5 of indicates into 15. Fraction but how we will multiply? 15 into 2 is nothing but 30 by 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are. So in this way we have to solve the exercise 2 problems. That means mostly we covered the concept of how we have to multiply a fraction with the whole number part. Okay, so as I said, I will give second bit homework problem. Just I will write on the board questions. You have to solve by your home. And in the next session, you will solve about the multiplications of fractions. Just to copy these questions and solve it. Second bit, second one. 2 by 3 of the triangles. So, how many triangles are there? Total there are 9 triangles. Next, 3 by 5 of the rectangles. Okay, 3 by 5 of rectangles. There are total 15 rectangles. Okay, 3 by 5 of the rectangles. Next, 3 by 4 of circles. 3 by 4 of the circles. So, there are total 20 circles was there. Okay, how many circles? 20 circles. Okay, so these 3 questions is your homework. You have to solve it by the same process. Okay, 2 by 3 of the triangles means how you will solve 2 by 3 of indicates into triangles means count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 2s are 18 by 3. 3 1s are 3 6 are. So 6 now. So you have to shade the 6 triangles in that box. Okay, remaining 2 anyway you have to solve it. In the next session we will discuss only about the multiplications of fractions in the and we are going to solve the exercise 3 problems. Thank you.